Now, apart from all the great films from around the world that are being screened here, the other big attraction is the stars that come in here. You never know whom you might bump across. Well, we saw Demi earlier in the day. She is here with a film called The Substance. There's also Dennis Quaid who acts in that movie. Then we also saw Kevin Costner here with his new film, An American Saga, which is being screened here out of the competition at the Cannes Film Festival. Now, there are around 22 films in the competition section at the Cannes Film Festival this year that are vying for the prestigious Palme d'Or, which is going to be declared on 25th, which is the closing ceremony day. Now, critics from all around the world are trying to make a guess as to who is going to win this award. Well, there are some films that have been screened, some are yet to be screened, and I've managed to catch about 12, 13, or probably a little more than that. And so far, where the picture is not very clear as to who's going to win the Palme d'Or, which are the best performances so far, it's been a mixed bag. But I am guessing, given the kind of the jury that we have here, which is being headed by Greta Gerwig, well, The Substance might have a chance with Demi in the lead role. She might have a shot for the Best Actress award, or also there could be the other lady from The Girl with a Needle, who's also given a terrific performance in that film. There is also another category called the Un Certain Regard category, which is different from the Palme d'Or, and there are two Indian films that are in that category as well. One of them is Santosh, which was screened earlier in the day today, and there is another one called Shameless. Now, do they have a shot at one of the prizes in the Un Certain Regard category? Well, we'll have to wait and watch. But there was one movie that I saw yesterday. It's a French film about an immigrant from Guinea who tries to get citizenship, or rather a license to work here in France. Now, we've seen a bunch of films that revolve around this migrant crisis and refugees that are coming into Europe, but all of them have a very sympathetic story to tell, and hence you are attracted to it. But for me, of all the films that I have seen so far, there's this film called The History of Suleiman, which was well and truly outstanding, especially for its performance.